Hello friends and welcome back. So on this channel lately we have been doing a lot of decluttering one garbage bag at a time, and then we just moved. So I think it's time to step into a new series, and we're going to call that Unpacking One Box at a Time, because this is the state of my current living space. Let me clarify a little bit. So I officially moved in here like July 11th, okay? It is a month later. I have been in this home a collective 12 days since I have moved in here because I was dog sitting for a lot of that. And then we had a huge storm come by and we lost power for 5 days. So I am back in this house and I am ready to start unpacking. And we all know that a lot more decluttering is happening because just looking at this, I am already extremely overwhelmed. Before we get started though, I do have a product I want to share with you guys that has actually been helping me feel more productive and motivated to actually do the unpacking that I need to do. And it is called Magic Mind. So what are you doing? Well, I'm sharing it with them. This actually really helps me kind of overcome some issues I have when it comes to you. Issues with us. I get a lot of stress from you and a lot of spaciness and unproductiveness from you. That is why it's called a mental performance shot, because it helps with my mental performance. No. I help you manage your stress by thinking about every single thing that you are stressed about to help you manage it. I have notebooks full of things that we have to do, and I am going to stop both of you right there. Okay, I have been drinking this for the last 7 days and it has helped me feel a lot more calm and energized and focused. So if you guys could take your little anxious self and your little spacey self somewhere else so I can actually get this done, that would be fantastic. All right, well, do we want to go sit in the bed and doom scroll and do other things while she's all productive? I guess, yeah. I'm bringing my coffee, though. Okay, so now that they're gone, let's actually find what we are going to do. Okay, let's take the overwhelm down a little bit, shall we? Those are all empty boxes over there. So we're going to start by tearing those down. I did offer them to a few people, but honestly, they are in not great condition. So we're just going to tear them down and take them to recycle. All right, you guys are on top of a box and we are going to break all these down. Please don't fall, because I won't notice. I do that all the time. Do you want the instructions to this? Huh? Yeah. Oh. So I mentioned that my power went out, as it wasn't just mine. The city I live in got hit with a big storm, and over 200,000 people lost power. I was out of power for 6 days, so I was very fortunate. I went and stayed with my sister, but like I couldn't be here. I tried to come here a few days just to do some things after work and on the weekend. I could not. It was so hot. It was unbearable. I felt for all the people who had nowhere to go. A lot of my neighbors had like generators, gas generators sitting outside. So yeah, it was bad. We lost a lot of groceries. Like, it was not a fun time. But that happened literally on August 1st, and today is... See, like, this box has an unknown amount of stuff in it. Like seeping stuff. Yeah, these are gross. I'm just very happy to be home where there's electricity and cold air, and yes. So that was the latest hurdle that we have jumped over. I only cried a little bit when I had to throw away the food, but we will get through this just like we got through everything else so far. These Huggies boxes are literally from when Kelly was in diapers. So they're basically 10 years old. So one part of my mind is like, oh my gosh, those are so old. How can you throw those away? And then the other part of my mind looks around and is like, girl, keep tossing, keep donating. You don't need all this. So I'm gonna go with the part that says, girl, let's get rid of this. Styrofoam isn't recyclable. Is styrofoam recyclable? Well, I'll do a quick Google search on where I can get rid of that properly. Do we think that these will stack in this basket and then I can take the basket to my car? I don't know. We'll try though. I think that was a terrible first choice. So little ones, I guess. I know a lot of people were asking if I still had Kylo or one of the dogs. I still have trouble. Okay, this is actually working very well. I'm sorry, but like this is absolutely genius. And I'm putting it right in front of the door so that when we leave in the morning, I have to take these with me. Because if it's in my way and I have to move it, I'm more likely to take it. This was Kelly's bed box. That guy is huge. And then this was for my shelf that's in there in the kitchen. Okay, we're gonna put these to the side and move on to something else, shall we? Okay. I'm honestly just standing here staring because I have no idea where to start, and this is my problem. I don't know how to digest this because I don't have a lot of places to put things. So like this top box right here, I could unpack it. However, it's like a few memory things, it's some winter things, and I haven't decided where to put the winter things. It's some boots. So I guess I just have to start. That's the only thing I can do is just start, see where we are, and analyze it. Don't freak out. You're fine. This is gonna take time. It took time to pack it. It's gonna take time to unpack it. Woosah. These were supposed to get donated with the crib, and that crib has been donated probably a month and a half ago now. So I guess these will also just get donated. Oops, 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 oops. Honest mistake. Like this is a lot of like stuff that I'm like, oh, I was gonna keep this. I need to keep this. This should all have probably just gotten donated, friends. I don't know where to put my winter stuff, and this is shoes. Okay, all right. Realistically, are you going to use this? Yes. Realistically, are you going to use this? Considering I don't have my desk set up, so I don't know what that situation is going to look like yet. I don't have another mirror. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to find somewhere to put all the winter stuff. So I used to have a bucket for winter stuff, but now I have this nice little closet that I could probably hang my winter stuff on. That's kind of what we've done already, is hung our winter like clothes in here. When we find them, we hang them in here so that we know where they are and they're not taking up space in our bedroom. Okay, let's do that. Let's hang the winter stuff in here real quick. And there's already little hooks back there, guys. Ta-da! Crisis number 1 averted. Okay, now we have a lot of shoes in this one. Ooh, what do we do with the shoes? Because I already have shoes in my closet. We do have a shoe rack that has donation stuff on it. See, I'm always, well, that's not donation. That's going back to my ex because we messed up the plate situation, but he's going to take those back. That's donate. This is what the new one looks like. See? Ice in there. You make the ice cubes on this part, and then you dump them in there. And this is what the freezer looks like after the no power. Real fresh and clean in there. All right, friends, let's finish this box. So these are like my first real expensive like investment cowgirl boots that I got, but they hurt my feet and I have to wear like really padded socks with them. But if you've ever invested in cowgirl boots, you understand why I haven't gotten rid of them or done anything with them. I do wear them. I just don't ride. I don't wear them to ride anymore because they literally kill my heels. These are a keep. I should put the fancy shoes in there though. But I don't have any more room in there. I need a little shoe rack, so we're just gonna put them out here. Because I need the boxes to go. I really need the boxes to go. What? No, unfortunately not. I think all your shoes were already good to go, bro. Is it beautiful? No. Does it work? Yes. Also, our first box of this series empty, friends. That's a huge accomplishment. Let's break it down and put it in the pile. I'm gonna have to vacuum. I have no idea what just fell out of that box. Oops. All right, friends, this is what this looks like now. Better, still a maze, still only pathways to walk through for now, but we are getting there. Remember, one box at a time. All right, friends, that is where I'm going to end today. I am hungry. The kiddo just ate, and I'm really jealous of how his food smells. Don't forget to go check out Magic Mind. I have all of the links in my description. Don't forget you can get up to 48% off for the first 10 days and then 20% off when you use my code. So that is all down there in the description. I really think that you guys will like it. I wouldn't share a product with you guys that I haven't tried and actually worked for me. I'm not here to sell you guys anything at all. That is not my mission on this channel. But when I see a product and they send it to me and it's actually really good and they want to work with me, I am absolutely going to share it with you guys, especially my girlies that struggle up in the noggin, because it really has been a bit of a game changer for me. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks, little one.